Hey everyone, it's your personal finance guide, Rakibul, here to help you level up your money game. Today we're diving into 10 powerful habits that can transform your finances, helping you save more effectively and achieve your financial goals faster. Whether you're dreaming of buying your first property, starting a business, or just achieving financial peace of mind, these habits will set you on the right track. This is the golden rule of personal finance, people. We're talking about putting your savings on autopilot. Imagine this. You set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every single payday. It's like magic money that disappears before you even have a chance to spend it. You won't even miss the money, and your savings will grow faster than you ever thought possible. Remember cash? It's time to bring it back. Using cash instead of credit cards is like a superpower against overspending. Why? Because when you physically hand over those hard-earned bills, you feel the impact. Withdraw a specific amount of cash for your weekly expenses, like groceries or entertainment. This simple trick will keep you accountable and prevent those dreaded credit card bills from piling up. Let's be honest, eating out is a budget killer. Dedicate a few hours each week to plan and prepare your meals in advance. You'll be amazed at how much you can save by simply being prepared. Impulse buys are the silent assassins of your savings. You know what I'm talking about? Those add to cart clicks that leave your wallet feeling lighter and your mind filled with regret. Thinking about buying something you don't absolutely need? Wait 24 hours before you hit that purchase button. Chances are, after a day of reflection, you'll realize you didn't really need it after all. Budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. There are tons of amazing budgeting apps out there ready to become your new financial best friend. These apps track your spending, help you create a budget that aligns with your goals, and even provide personalized insights to optimize your financial habits. It's like having a personal finance guru right in your pocket 24/7. We live in a world of subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, meal kits, you name it. But are you actually using all of them? Probably not. Go through your bank statements and identify any subscriptions you're not actively using. Cancel them and watch your savings grow. Buying in bulk for essential items like rice beans, toiletries, and cleaning supplies can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Pro tip: team up with friends or family members for bulk purchases to maximize savings. Lifestyle inflation is the tendency to increase your spending as your income grows. You get a raise, you upgrade your apartment, you buy a fancy new car. It's a vicious cycle. Instead of letting your lifestyle inflate with your income, direct that extra money towards your savings and investments. Let your future self thank you later. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart savings goals will give you something to work towards and keep you motivated. Whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or early retirement, having a clear vision will fuel your saving journey. Investing in your education, skills, and personal growth can lead to better job opportunities, higher income potential, and ultimately a more secure financial future. Take courses, attend workshops, read books, and never stop learning. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. There you have it, 10 powerful habits to supercharge your savings and achieve financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow over time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome financial content, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite saving tips.